You searched how to buy shares of ACS. Here is a concise walkthrough. ACS is a global construction and infrastructure group listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ACS.MC. And this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ACS.MC to locate the listing. Make sure you pick the correct ACS entry from the search results. Open the ACS asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company description and ticker match to ensure it's the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute later, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. Your ACS position will appear in your portfolio after the trade is placed. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow these demonstration steps.